Hi friends, my name is Roshan Pandey and today I am start network security practical. This practical name is Railpin Cipher. So first we open the notepad. So go to the start button, then open notepad, then maximize it and write your class name. So friends, in Railpin Cipher you have to already know about what is Railpin Cipher. Railpin Cipher means it is a zigzag form. It is also known as a zigzag cipher. So friends, here right I am in the Railpin Cipher practical program. You can see properly. This is my part 1 of the Railpin Cipher. So first I am declare here class. So that is my class name is public. So here write public class. Public means it is a publicly share, not a, it is a, like a it is a type of uh, access specifier like public, private. These are the access specifier. So I am right here public because it is a publicly right here. So right I am the class. So my class name is Railpins because my pronoun name is Railpins. So I'm right here Railpins. So here RAILFENCE. So look friend, here R and F is my capital. R and F is my capital. You already know about that in Java program. The Java is a key-sensitive program. So network security practical is a Java program, but it is different. Why? Because it is a network security program, but same like a Java program. So friends, here R and F is a capital. Why? Because these two words, real and friends, are the different, and here I declare that two words are added. Why? Because this is a more type of keyword. It is a one type of keyword and there is a another type of keyword. So here real, so R is capital, here friends F is capital. Okay friends, then enter, then open the curly braces, then again you have to declare here the main line. So friends, you have to already know about that what is main line and which word was used in the main line. So I am right here main line, that is public static void main. So friends, main is the main of the part. So word means is a no return value. Word means main is a no return value. Okay friends. So in main line I have to write here the argument, that is string args. So friends, public static void main. In main line I have to write here string args. So string is your class because here yes is capital. Yes is capital. Okay friends. Then enter, again open curly braces. Then I have to declare here two string, that is string input and string output. In the string input I have to write here the input line. You have to choose any type of message. So first we have to write here string input, string, here yes is capital, it is also a class. String is your class because yes is a capital. Different string space input equal to, you have to write here any message. So I am right here Vasai College. Here V and C are capital. V Vasai College. Okay friends, here V and C are capital. Why here V is capital? Because it is another keyword, and it is another keyword. More type of keyword. There is more than one type of keyword. So you have to write here Vasai. It is a one type of word, and college it is a one type of word. Okay friends. So Vasai is your word. It is a one word. And college is your second word. So you have to combine these two words are each other. So Vasai and college. Here Vasai V is capital and college it is a C capital. Okay friends. Then inverted comma, enter. Then you have to write here output line, that is string. Here string is a class because yes is capital, then string space output equal to this line are blank. You have to know any message. Okay friends, then inverted comma, then enter. Then you have to write here integer value. You can take here the integer value, that is alien. Alien is a len, so it is a short form of alien. So you have to write here integer value. Take the integer value in alien equal to input dot length. Okay friends, so you have to question me why you have to write here input. Here I am taking input in the string 1. This is my string first, so I am taking input in this line. So input dot length in bracket, it is a method. Input dot length, it is a method. Then comma flag equal to 0. Inverted comma, enter. Okay friends. Then friends, I am to write here output line, that is system. Here S is capital, SYSTEM. Okay friends, it is also a class because here S is capital. Okay friends. Then system dot out dot print ln. You can also write here print or print ln. Why you have to use here print ln? Because suppose you have to write here two output, 3 output, 5 output. So your next output line is come in the next line. So you have to write. Suppose you have to write here print. So then your output line is single. So I am write here output string system dot output print ln in bracket. Write message input string. Okay friends, so the input string of the variable was stored in the my output line, then plus input. Remember that my friends. Okay friends, so I am write here input string, means this input string was stored in this my output line. Why you have to write here plus input? Because this input line, string input means Vasai College was, it is a variable, so store in the my output line, then inverted comma, enter. Then I have to apply here for loop. So friends, you know about what is for loop. For loop means in the for loop I have to declare the class declaration, condition and initialization. So in the for loop write for in bracket. Here I am take the integer value, that is int I equal to 0, inverted comma,